Hello, dreamers and doers. Welcome back to States of Ambition. I'm your host, and today, we're igniting your passion with the incredible story of Susan B. Anthony, a trailblazer who fought tirelessly for equality and justice. Her words still echo through time, reminding us that nothing is impossible when we dare to stand up for what's right. So if you're ready to be inspired, grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's dive into the life and lessons of a woman who changed history. The power of Susan B. Anthony's vision. Susan B. Anthony was a warrior for women's rights, a pioneer who believed in the power of every individual to shape a better world. Born in 1820, she grew up in a time when women couldn't vote, own property, or even speak freely in public. But Susan didn't accept the status quo. She declared, "Wherever women gather together, failure is impossible." That's the kind of mindset we need to embrace today, a belief that unity and determination can move mountains. Susan's life wasn't easy. She faced ridicule, arrest, and even a $100 fine for daring to vote in the 1872 presidential election. Yet she stood firm, saying, "I declare to you that woman must not depend upon the protection of man, but must be taught to protect herself, and there I take my stand." Her courage teaches us that true ambition means standing up for what you believe in, even when the world pushes back. Have you ever faced a moment where you had to stand your ground? Susan's story reminds us that those moments define who we are. Lesson 1. Organize, agitate, educate. One of Susan's most powerful quotes is, "Organize, agitate, educate must be our war cry." This is a call to action for all of us. Want to make a difference? Start by organizing clear goals, gather your resources, and build a plan. Susan didn't just dream of women's suffrage. She co-founded the National Woman Suffrage Association and traveled the country giving speeches. She agitated, too, never shying away from challenging unjust laws. In 1873, after her arrest for voting, she delivered her famous "Is it a crime to vote?" speech demanding, "Are women persons?" That bold question shook the nation. Finally, she educated. Susan knew that change starts with awareness. She wrote, spoke, and published The Revolution, a newspaper with the motto, "Men, their rights, and nothing more. Women, their rights, and nothing less." On States of Ambition, we're all about taking action. So ask yourself, what's one thing you can organize, agitate, or educate others about today? Maybe it's a cause, a personal goal, or a dream you've been holding back. Take that first step Susan would approve. Lesson 2. Embrace the long fight. Susan's fight for women's suffrage spanned over 50 years. And she never saw the final victory. The 19th Amendment passed in 1920, 14 years after her death. Yet she never gave up, saying, "We shall someday be heeded. And when we shall have our amendment to the Constitution, everybody will think it was always so." This is a powerful reminder that real change often takes time. Susan believed every inch of progress was worth fighting for, even if the full reward came later. Think about your own ambitions. Maybe you're working toward a career goal, a healthier lifestyle, or a better world. Progress can feel slow, but Susan's words inspire us. Nothing is hopeless, that is right. Every step forward counts. So keep pushing, even when the finish line feels far away. Your efforts are laying the groundwork for a brighter future, just like Susan's did for generations of women. Lesson 3. Defy conventional expectations. Susan wasn't afraid to break the mold. She urged, forget conventionalisms. Forget what the world thinks of you stepping out of your place. Think your best thoughts, speak your best words, work your best works. In her time, women were expected to stay silent, but Susan spoke loudly. She traveled alone, gave speeches to hostile crowds, and even faced jail time. Her boldness shows us that ambition means defying expectations to pursue what matters. What's holding you back from stepping out of your place? Maybe it's fear of judgment or failure. Susan's advice is clear. Trust your conscience, not the crowd. On States of Ambition, we believe in chasing what sets your soul on fire. So, what's one bold move you can make this week to break free from convention? Write it down and let Susan's courage fuel your next step. Lesson 4. Equality is non-negotiable. Susan's fight wasn't just for women. She stood for equality for all. In a letter read at Cooper Union, she said to refuse to qualified women and colored men the right of suffrage and still count. Them and the basis of representation is to add insult to injury. She saw the interconnectedness of all struggles for justice, from women's rights to abolition. Her vision was a world where the only criterion of excellence or position shall be the ability and character of the individual. This lesson hits home today. Ambition isn't just about personal success, it's about lifting others up. Whether you're advocating for fairness at work, in your community, or in your own life, Susan's words remind us that equality is worth fighting for. How can you champion fairness in your world? Maybe it's speaking up for someone who's been overlooked or challenging an unfair system. Let Susan's legacy inspire you to act. Lesson 5. Perseverance through setbacks. Susan faced countless setbacks, but she never let them define her. She once said, "Cautious, careful people, always casting about to preserve their reputation, never can bring about a reform." True ambition requires risk. When Susan was arrested for voting, she didn't retreat. She turned her trial into a platform, delivering speeches across the country. Her resilience teaches us that setbacks are just stepping stones to success. On States of Ambition, we know that failure is part of the journey. Have you hit a roadblock recently? Maybe a rejected project or a personal struggle. Take a page from Susan's book. Keep moving forward, no matter what. Her life proves that perseverance turns dreams into reality. So, dust yourself off and keep fighting for your goals. Wow, what an incredible journey through Susan B. Anthony's life and legacy. Her words and actions remind us that ambition isn't just about personal gain, it's about courage, quality, and making a difference. As she said, independence is happiness. So, go out there and chase your dreams with fearless independence. Thank you for joining us on States of Ambition. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a boost, and hit that subscribe button for more motivational content every week. Drop a comment below. Tell us how Susan's story inspires your ambitions. Until next time, stay bold, stay driven, and keep pushing forward with States of Ambition.